Me nah laugh.
I just need a chance to prove myself. I just need one opportunity, you know. I know I can do it like cartel. Self-reliant,
Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. Zay, big up on yourself, the Wallop I love saying. Give thanks for the support. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe. You know, we keep the thing real over yourself on the back of field. That's what I say. Yes, man, we say love and unity over scrutiny. No, my viewers and subscribers dance are nice. Is it like a nice? Is it like a nice? Alright, coming up in this vlog, you don't know. Bounty Killer make a post. The K Queens them, K Queen song. Man treat like plywood. Woman alone take off my clothes. And no man alone me let off my load. Woman alone me lock my house. Yeah, then drop something for Ishawna name. Bigfoot Cinderella. You know, Ishawna says she in the Cinderella scene. Yeah. Some boys say them treat like straight jeans. Them and them front hard like baked beans. Can't sweep and a man me never daydream. Rather stay dirty for them to make me stay clean. Me I work for them. Yes. So when I say so, I do a song named Bigfoot Cinderella. So Killer just leak a little snippet. You see me? Yes. Yes, man. So I'm going to hear what I want for that. You see what I say? Killer also made a post. You see what I say? Me I work for where me want from me a 18. Them the on the B-side, me the on the A-team. You know long me have me a spanky queens. Any boy no want no girl can't get me ratings. Yeah, man. I viewers and subscribers, just there I go on freelance, you know. I don't know. One of my new songs that I look for drop soon, named Plyboard. You see me I say? Straight like plyboard. You see me? Yeah, my son make the rhythm, you see it? Yeah, me and him make the rhythm. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, you don't know, big up Ishawna, big up Scatter, big up Bounty Killer, big up the K Queens them, big up everybody, all the lovers and haters of dancehall. You see me I say? Yes. Yeah. Too much double standard there at Jamaica. Yeah, we're full of double standard. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know the Killer, Bounty Killer and Ishawna at it. Ishawna do what she do on stage, on the keyboard. Me find it offensive and rude. As I say, that not mean say me I go cuss Ishawna and bash her. Even though I do my vlog and say she wrong, you know, either thing she go on with, she style the Killer. Yeah, but I still not go bash her, I don't know. I say equality, stop violence against women. See, it's a Killer, when to make a Killer do a song. See what I say? And say, you go lick Scatter and face with the pad. So Ishawna did a live and said, yo, she dare Killer for release the song and go in the studio. Them not for go dance, go sing, phone the 4-bar. Do a song because she ready to take them on and Ray and blah blah rata ta ta. You see me? Yes, then Scatter Burrell do a live and I have to big up Scatter Burrell. I like the live, them love him reason. And as me they say, one of them did know say that's something that was gonna pull off, and rightly so. Like Joe never know about it, but Scatter agreed and confirmed, saying did know. Since I respect him for that, for being honest and brave, saying he knows that it go on and he never stop her because you see what I say? So yeah. Big up Scatter. I love the live, I love what you reason, brother. And you know, we know that the music is a wicked thing. I love what you reason because a reasonability that inspire me. You see me I say? Yes, man. I watch it on Fame Jazz page. Watch it, man. Big up Fame Jazz same way too. Keep up the great work, brother. You see me? Yes, man. So big up Scatter. I love that reason in the brother. My lord, watch I know. Hey, the world change, but me not change with it. Man are old school, certain things, man are in it, y'all. When you know he go, make me box and kick it. My lollipop is up to you if you want. Me nah beg you for do it. Yeah, me no know for you, me for eat. Big up every good as big up every freak. Yes, yeah. Music business, huh? I saw me job one away, you know, because she's a mankind, very unkind, you know. Yes, but anyway, Killer make the post here. Zine, Killer put up the song. Hear the song.
Me nah laugh. Not even Killer can't stop me from Killer off. Cut Bigfoot Cinderella in a half. You think said a blood clot when you talk?
It's just a little snippet, you see me? You must say Killer TV. Killer can't tell them say nothing done the Bigfoot girl. You see me I say? Ishawna. So this is the moment. You see me I say for K Queens to try to get the breakthrough. Rightly so. Yeah. You see me? So will Ishawna answer? Killer also made a post and say, dog no response in a kitten fight. You see what I say? So Killer the dog and Ishawna and K Queens about the kitten. Killer said dog no response in a kitten fight. Now get involved in a kitten fight. And them say no tag her, tell her we dare her for answer the K Queens them. So is this a little strategy there at Sykes? For you know, Killer say, yo, alright, take her on K Queens, cause I don't know. Killer say I'm not gonna clash the woman. You see what I say? Even though as well himself on the stage and make her scene. But Ishawna said she want to clash them, she want to clash she and him and Beanie man. Anyone of them going to shoot and do a song for her, she ready for them. She want it on her belt. As me say, she sound brave and you know optimistic and you know what I mean? Yes. Adrenaline high. You see me? But my viewers and subscribers, do you think Ishawna is gonna answer the K Queens? Or she gonna say she not give them the knowings? Because a long time they might try boss and she not go give them the limelight. Maybe she wouldn't, me just ask, and maybe she'll go say that yes, because you see, Josh no want answer, Silk Boss, Massacre no want answer, I do know when them that show shade and them sitting there. You see me I say, because the artists them when they're afraid for war, lyrically. But you know you're bad like that, you're building a song and clash man, and music. You see me I say, so, do you think Ishawna go ignore them and say she not answer them? She want to answer Killer, a Killer she want to do this song at the K Queens, and maybe Killer could I say, yeah man, this is the perfect opportunity, you know, for K Queens to get the breakthrough. Because I know K Queens have do them thing a long time. You see me I say? And them try, you know, forget the breakthrough, the real break. Them get only by exposure, yes, from the Killer, but you know, them try to get the big break like myself, yeah. You see me I say? So big up K Queens, don't stop. You don't know one day the nut go crack, you know? Yes man. You see me? I still have ready to write a song for me I want to do to you know. Me and the two I want to, you know. Yes man, bad song, concept, mad. Me sister, me not trust him. See him and the next girl lost him. Swear me not stop till me boss him. You see me I say? And then the next sister say, sister, me love him. Not even you, me not go put above him. You see me? Them didn't say me trust him. From the one with you, me not go discuss him. You see me I said, mad. Mad. Big up Banky Loss, because when the link Banky and Banky knows a rural Ray and blah. And the K Queens and message them and thing and thing. So it's song they are right already and put on, you know, for the collab, big bad collab, you know. Remember me tell you, I go boss me and you know K Queens. Yeah, long time I write it and put it down. Or make on the know so. But me know on the depend. Yeah, and that's a lie would keep it real on the back of you. Big up Killer, big up Sharon Burke, big up Payday. Big up Chris. That's what I say, I big up. That's what I say, yes man. Don't forget the history, you know. Killer, the first one met me do an interview with Pana TV with the journalist, apart from Susie Q, Killer. When the journalist them come and say, yo, Killer says, see the future stars them there. When I interview them, me, Ayatollah, you know what I mean? And you see it, you know. Yes man, so, let me know if you think Ishawna going to answer K Queens or she going to ignore them. Killer she want to answer. That's what I say. But I love to see she answer K Queens, man. Let me keep it female to female and not keep it lyrical. Like, dancehall need that. As I just can't say dancehall is a covetous, gravelicious, dog eat dog, hold long, bad man, gods, game. You have to fit. No soft soap can't in a dancehall. And maybe if me approach it with a more vulgar side of me. I grew up rough and born rough and thing. But me just peaceful. You see me? And maybe if me have that look eager, volatile side of me there, maybe that boy wouldn't do him do to me the 2018, you see me? Yeah. That program and I run and rope soap, so I just hold it. You see me I say? Yeah. Is it? But dancehall you have to rough and tough man. So I have to big up Spice because, you know, woman have it hard in the industry. See, and the man them for love Ishawna man and stop fight against the woman. The woman sing what she want to sing. You see me I say? Yes, man. You know, but as I said, Jamaica full of double standard. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you all think. You see me I say, I don't know if Ishawna going to answer K Queens and I shall go ignore them. See? Yeah, and killer. Killer she want. Killer shall shoot for. That's just a quick update. Say big up on yourself. I don't know. I'll put you on another vlog. I will do it when I boast and I brag. Yes, man. I'm going to share some of my musical journey, we do know. No one them, I just drop a 1-1-1-1 experience, you know. Because I've been threatened, I've been warned twice, threatened to get blacklist. All because I'm standing up for my rights, you know. And I keep things professional and I ask questions, you know. 2010, 2018. That's it. So, you know, God will say, you know, God will say, even though I'm a sinner, I figure out they'll go find my dinner. You see me? Don't forget to like and share and click the bell. Help the channel grow and give M0cks some support, man. Check out my music, then, man. We have got new music forward, see? And DJ Selector, radio presenter, if you want on the jingles, link up and dub plate, man. You see me? I say we have a dub plate session that will run soon, so I don't know. You see me? DJ wanted straight like plyboard. Be a dub, make a cut on the song there. Before we release the single, you see it? Man.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Enough nights we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you me shot that clown in a shame for that. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Growing up my life wasn't easy.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.